she took it out and has nothing in her right now?
God.
Ugh.
Why is she playing that music?
Oh my god.
She's super. Oh, God, don't do that. Look at her face. She hates the way this. Oh.
Okay. If everyone says this is fake, there's honestly something
Why
wrong.
are you proud of it?
Is she on drugs? Wait, she's gonna eat the whole thing, like with the, like the whole thing.
Like she's gonna put the whole thing in her mouth and suck it up.
Oh God, don't do that.
I can't even look.
Hey, you don't know why I'm looking.
She keeps smelling it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Keep watching, Steve. She's gonna suck everything off of it.
No way. Is he gonna turn white again?
Practically.
No.
Yep.
This song does not make it better. Like, I'm trying to be in a good mood, but I can't because. Oh,
God. Oh my God.
why are you still?
Oh, okay. I think I have the gag reflex right now. Please.
Stab him straight across.
That's it. Yeah, like seriously. Like, I'm not even playing. Like seriously, just looking
How
at
long
it.
is this video?
It's almost over.
Steve, I like how you're like, I'm serious, I'm done in the corner of his eye. You're still looking at it.
Why is she doing that?
Oh, she says that at the end of the video why she does it.
I don't think anything will justify what she just did. And she keeps going. Ugh.
Oh God. Okay, I'm done. That's it for real. I can't do that anymore.
Oh my
Look, she's
god.
almost done. It's practically half
I
white.
can't. Cause now she's like sucking on it. Like it's, oh.
More? That's nasty. It just come out of your body and you just put it back in. Ugh.
Does she do this every month? Oh yeah. All that and it's gonna come out. She knows she's so stupid.
Her parents are gonna be like, what the?
Why did she pick that song?
So it could calm her down.
Okay, well, here it is.
Oh, why would you put that?
Cut most of it out. You guys are honestly disgusting. I don't even know why. Okay.
Duh, you idiot.